What's up guys? Today I'm in Austin, Texas. I've met up with a YouTuber called Alexander Travelbum, Alex, and his girlfriend Sandra. So you guys have been traveling and doing YouTube for how long now?
A year.
Yeah.
Well, a year?
For you.
Yeah, so
Yep.
I actually started following his channel when he was in like Southeast Asia, I think about 8 months ago, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then for the last like 6 months they've both been traveling around in like a van around the US, right? So definitely check that channel out. So we've come to a spot called Jacob's Well, but unfortunately it looks like we might not be able to swim here today, but yeah, we're just gonna head there now and find out. So here we have Jacob's Well down there. It's basically like a 100 feet hole all the way down. It's a real shame though that we can't go inside, because I was expecting to be able to dive in there and get some cool GoPro footage, stuff like that, but yeah, today's not the day. Only after April the 30th you're allowed to swim in here, so I'll definitely be back to make a real good video here, so that's unfortunate, but we are going to another place anyway that's still going to be cool, so yeah, stick around. Alright guys, screw the rules, let's get in. You can see here closer up, it's like super nice blue turquoise color. Real shame we can't dive in. So since it didn't really work out at Jacob's Well to go swimming, we're going to head to the second location, which is called Hamilton's Pool, and hopefully we should be able to swim there at least, so it should be cool. So we've arrived at Hamilton's Pool, and at this place it's confirmed that we can swim, and this place looks way better than I thought actually. Check it out. Getting that spray?
Yes, the white boys need the spray.
It's a lot colder than we expected though. Not so nice. It's like freezing. Go straight in, go You can do it.
Is that on me right now?
Yeah.
I have to look cool. Alright. This is nothing. Oh my god! Okay.
Seriously, this is like the coldest water I've ever been in. I'm not even getting used to it.
I don't think it's possible to get used to this water.
No.
It feels like we're in Iceland.
So basically this place, it's like an underwater river, and then it used to be a cave, but on top the dome collapsed, and then it created this awesome pool looking thing here. Right here we're in a part of like the remaining cave. Still looks pretty cool. And then over there you have the rest of the pool. Alright guys, so we're leaving Hamilton Pool now. It definitely had like a hidden paradise vibe to it, even though it became packed at the end, so I'm glad we got there early so that, yeah, we didn't get all the crowds. And one thing I forgot to mention is you do have to make reservations every day to go there, so got to go online and do that. It's like $10 and then $15 when you arrive. But yeah, it's well worth it, I'd say. Water is super cold, but definitely beneficial going there. And right now we're gonna be heading back to Austin, and Alexander is gonna give us a little tour of his van, right? So that's what's coming up. So as promised, we're gonna do the tour of his van right now. Alex's van. Lead the way.
All right, welcome to our van hut.
So what do we got here?
So it's a bit dirty right now, but where do I start? We have our mini fridge right here, and we have our vintage cooler right here where we keep our dry food.
All right.
And then this is our kitchen, which we made out of a dresser.
Oh, a dresser.
A thrift store dresser. Our sink is completely full right now, but we got the sink from IKEA.
Yeah.
And this is a pump nozzle right here, so you just pump it and water comes out. Over here,
the bed.
This is our bed.
It's actually a pretty good size though.
Yeah, it's basically a full-size bed.
Yep. Got the America flag.
The America flag at the top. We have some solar, which I'll plug in the lights really quick. Yeah.
Yes, up here, he's got the solar panels. So that's how he gets all the electricity.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks pretty cool with the lights.
Yeah. And when there's too much light, when we don't need to use too much energy and we don't need too much light in here, we just turn these like this and turn it off. We get a little bit of mood lighting in here, and that's why most of these are off. We don't usually use all of them. And then under the bed here, just lift this up, and our clothes are under here. Okay. Alex's clothes, Sandra's clothes. We cook on this, so it's pretty good on energy, and we just have one pan and cook everything on this.
So this is how you put a house in a van.
Yep, this is our little house.
Alright, so I'm gonna be heading out now guys. Make sure to follow Alexander's Travel.
Alexander Travelbum on YouTube,
Instagram,
anything else.
Yeah, and make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel and his channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. See you later, man.
See you later.
See you later, Sandra.
Bye.
Bye.